Hello guys, I am Alekia Reddy. Today I am discussing with schemes that is Pradhana Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana Phase 4. Okay, the Union Cabinet has approved the implementation of the Pradhana Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana 4 during financial year 2024 to 25 to 2028 to 29. About the scheme is 25,000 unconnected habitations of population size 500 plus in plains, 250 plus in northeastern and hill states, UTs, special category areas, tribal schedule 5, aspirational districts, blacks, desert areas, and 100 plus in LW affected district as per census 2011 will be covered. Also 62,500 kilometers of all weather roads will be provided to unconnected habitations. Construction of required bridges along with alignment of all weather road will be provided. Mainly this scheme is Pradhana Mantri Gram Sadak Yojana launched in 2000. Aim is all weather access to unconnected habitations. The ministry is rural development.